Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to download Simatic Manager, also known as Step 7 from Siemens. I will leave a link to the website in the description. Before we can download we need a registered account on the website. Note that it can take up to 48 hours to get your account registered on the website before it gets accepted. Next we want to search for Step 7 in the search bar. Then if we scroll down a bit we will find the Step 7 version 5.7. If we click on it and scroll down a bit we will find the ISO file to download. Just download it and put in a suitable map. Now to start the download we simply open up the Step 7 ISO file. Then we click on Setup. Now just follow the instructions. The installation can take quite some time. Once the installation is done it will ask us to restart the computer. Once the computer is booted up again we can start Simatic Manager. It will ask us if we want to start the trial license. If we activate it it will add it to the license managers list. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video give it a thumbs up and subscribe.